So let's find that smartest way to achieve 0 to 60 kmph in 8 seconds in less power than what we got right now, which is 54.79. And just I'm copying this value and I paste here so that we can compare it whether we achieved that performance parameter in less power or not. The next thing that I would like you to pay attention to this value, which is the torque of the motor, which is right now is 85 Newton meter. But motor has capability to deliver 94.5 Newton meter. Or in some sense, we can say that we are underutilizing the motor for this criteria. And let's say if I able to go at 94.5 Newton meter, by any chance we can able to achieve 0 to 60 kmph in 8 seconds even in the less power, and that's what we are going to explore. So we know the PSM motor has a very beautiful characteristics curve, which is if you see torque versus speed, and by the way we are going to draw this curve when we finish with a specification table in our Excel sheet. But just assume that this is the motor characteristics curve. What is that? The motor has two regions. This region, which is here to here, is constant torque region, and then after that it has a constant power region. So this is the max torque that motor can go, and what we calculated, the max torque is 94.5 Newton meter. So the idea is, let's start the vehicle with this torque and then go to certain speed, and this speed will be less than 60 kmph, and then after we will shift to the constant power region to go further till 60 kmph. What is the main idea? Start with 94.5 Newton meter and go till certain speed, and that speed will be less than 60 of course, and then after shift to the constant power mode, and let's see whether I am going to achieve 0 to 60 kmph in 8 seconds even in the less power. So right now if you see this, the constant power or the max power of the motor we got 54.79 kilowatt. Is it possible to achieve same performance criteria even in the less power? That's what we are going to see it. Once again, I am going to reiterate the idea is to go 0 to intermediate speed, and that speed will be less than 60 kmph or the final speed that we are going to achieve it, and then after shift to the constant power region mode and see whether 0 to 60 kmph am I able to achieve in 8 seconds or not in less power than right now what we have it.